Welcome to Kingston. As Jamaica's capital and most populous metropolis, Kingston rests on the island's southeastern shoreline. This energetic urban hub boasts a storied past, vibrant culture, jaw-dropping natural beauty, and ample adventures for travelers. When visiting Kingston in this year, make time for these 10 best things to do in Kingston. Number 1. Visit Devon House. Devon House is one of Kingston's most famous landmarks, an elegant Georgian-style great house from the 19th century that's been restored into a cultural center. Wander through the lush gardens, tour the period furnishings in the house, stop for a meal at one of the restaurants, and browse the shops selling arts, crafts, and souvenirs. Don't miss the bakery selling Jamaica's national dish ackee and salt fish. Devon House offers a glimpse into Jamaica's history and is a peaceful oasis in the middle of the city. Number 2. Tour Bob Marley Museum. The former residence of the legendary reggae artist Bob Marley on Hope Road now serves as a museum honoring his life and enduring cultural legacy. Within the walls of Marley's former home, visitors can explore a treasure trove of memorabilia, images, and personal effects that offer a glimpse into the singer's extraordinary journey. Wander through the hallowed studio space, where Marley created some of his most iconic records. Reflect in the bedroom in which he spent his final days, contemplating the rich songbook he gifted the world. Examine the bullet holes that still mark the walls, chilling remnants of a politically motivated assassination attempt in 1976. A sojourn to this museum grants insight into the visionary musician who revolutionized Jamaican music and culture. Number 3. Shop at Coronation Market. If you want to experience a true Jamaican marketplace, head to Coronation Market in downtown Kingston. This sprawling indoor market contains hundreds of vendors selling everything from fresh produce and spices to clothing, crafts, and souvenirs. Browse stalls piled high with tropical fruits and vegetables, sample exotic herbs and seasonings, pick up a handmade straw hat or wood carving, and chat with the friendly local vendors. Don't forget to bargain, it's expected when shopping at Jamaican markets. The energy and chaos of Coronation Market is a fun cultural experience. Number 4. Admire Port Royal. Once called the wickedest city on earth, Port Royal was the Caribbean's pirate capital in the 17th century, until most of it sank beneath the sea after an earthquake in 1692. What remains is a sleepy fishing village with a fascinating history. Take a guided walking tour through the ruins of Old Port Royal, see artifacts recovered from the sunken city, and learn about the debauched lifestyles of the pirates who once strolled the streets. On a clear day, you can see the submerged remains of buildings under the harbor. Port Royal makes an engaging day trip from Kingston. Number 5. Party on King Street. Want to experience Kingston's famous nightlife? Head to Lower King Street in the evening, where the sidewalks are packed with vendors and the streets fill with people moving between the many clubs and bars. Join the locals bar hopping while sampling jerk chicken cooked on grills along the roadside. Look out for street performers popping up to entertain the crowds. Hang out at Triple Century Bar for drinks and dancing. Or stop by Goldie's Villa for classic Jamaican dance hall tunes. Lower King Street comes alive after dark, with the city's most vibrant and authentic nightlife scene. Number 6. See a play at Little Theatre. Jamaica's Little Theatre is the oldest professional theatre company in the English-speaking Caribbean. Housed in a quaint 280-seat venue, Little Theatre puts on an array of popular shows from comedies and musicals to thought-provoking dramas. Support the arts in Kingston by attending a show here. You may see productions featuring Jamaica's top actors alongside emerging talent. And the intimate setting means you'll get an up-close view. Founded in 1941, Little Theater has nurtured generations of Jamaican actors, directors, and playwrights while entertaining the Kingston community. Number 7. Tour Blue Mountains. Looking for natural beauty just outside Kingston? Head north to the majestic Blue Mountains, home to the world's best coffee, and Jamaica's second highest peak, Blue Mountain Peak. Drive up into the mountains, passing through villages and coffee plantations along the winding roads. Stop at a lookout point to take in the breathtaking views out over Kingston. Then go for a guided hike through lush rainforest, to a waterfall to swim in sparkling waters, or take a tour of a working coffee estate to learn about the back-breaking process of harvesting the beans and roasting the iconic Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. The Blue Mountains offer a pleasant escape from the heat and bustle of Kingston. Number 8. Explore Hope Botanical Gardens. Spanning 200 acres in the foothills just southwest of Kingston, Hope Botanical Gardens is a tropical oasis that's great for a leisurely stroll. Curving walking paths lead you past landscaped lawns, floral gardens, orchards, and ponds. See collections of rare tropical plants and flowers from around the world. There's also a scenic lookout point with panoramic views over Kingston, and a small museum with exhibits on Jamaica's plant life. Pack a picnic or stop by the Gardens Cafe and dine al fresco. With its diversity of landscapes and peaceful atmosphere, Hope Gardens is the ideal place for communing with nature without leaving the city. Number 9. Take a street art tour. The city of Kingston boasts a lively and flourishing street art culture, with vivid murals and graffiti embellishing structures across the urban area. Embark on an insightful walking excursion to gain a profounder admiration for this dynamic artistic form, and observe creations by gifted indigenous creators in close proximity. The trips transport you through downtown districts, such as Trenchtown, and pass by churches, academies, and enterprises enveloped in striking paintings. You will be enlightened about the progression of street art in Kingston and the artists molding the spectacle. These adventures are a tremendous approach to perceive an alternative face of the municipality, surpassing the conventional sightseer sites. Number 10. Eat jerk chicken at Scotchy's. You can't leave Kingston without trying authentic Jamaican jerk chicken, and Scotchy's in St. Andrew is the place to sample the best. This open-air joint with its trademark cred tables serves succulent chicken seasoned with a fiery jerk blend and roasted over pimento wood. Try it with festivals, fried dough fritters, and washed down with a cold red stripe beer. The casual, communal-style dining with reggae playing in the background captures the classic Jamaican jerk center experience. Just be prepared for a line. Scotchy's is extremely popular with both locals and visitors seeking the ultimate taste of Jamaica. Those are 10 best things to do in Kingston in this year. From historical sites like Devon House to natural wonders like the Blue Mountains, immerse yourself in Jamaica's rich culture, sample spicy jerk chicken, tour a reggae icon's home, shop alongside locals, and party the night away to reggae beats in this vibrant capital city. With its diversity of attractions and easygoing vibe, Kingston offers an unforgettable Caribbean vacation.